Altium, which is one of the best PCB design software in the world. While using this software, you can make circuit design very easily. Also, you can design your own professional PCBs. Altium enables engineers to effortlessly connect with reflexive electronics design process. Over 35 years innovation, and it's the most widely used PCB design solution in the world. You can easily do real-time collaboration, share your design file and manage library all in the cloud. Want to be job ready in electronics design? Try Altium Student Lab. You get free access to Altium so that you can collaborate with your mates and earn a certificate that's recognized by top industry in India. It's a great way to boost your skills and your resume. Just enter your university email to get started for free. Learn real skills that lead to real jobs with Altium Student Lab. Check the link in the description below. The full site and key benefits can be found here. This includes Altium Student Lab offer Altium Student License and PCB Design courses, Altium Education University Level Curriculum and Courses Certificate, free access to Power Analyzer YK site. A student can enroll for free. Start your free trial today and see why engineers everywhere choose Altium.